day 3 of the winter session of the Parliament. Let's cut across to the live proceedings we're getting from there.
दिल्ली में निधन हुआ श्री रामेश्वर डूडी राजस्थान के बीकानेर संसदीय निर्वाचन क्षेत्र से 13वीं लोकसभा के सदस्य थे तथा वे खाद्य नागरिक आपूर्ति और सार्वजनिक वितरण समिति के सदस्य रहे। वे राजस्थान विधानसभा के सदस्य भी रहे और उन्होंने
पटल पर रखने की अनुमति चाहता हूं।
श्रीमान बीएल वर्मा जी।
आदरणीय सभापति महोदय, मैं आपकी अनुमति से आज राज्यसभा की संशोधित कार्यसूची के क्रम संख्या 1 के भाग ग पर अपने नाम के सम्मुख अंकित प्रपत्र सभा पटल पर रखता हूं।
श्रीमान बंडी संजय कुमार जी।
महोदय, मैं आज की संशोधित कार्यवाही में क्रम संख्या 1D पर मेरे नाम के सम्मुख को लिखित दस्तावेज सभा पर रखता हूं।
श्रीमान मुरलीधर मोहेल जी।
आदरणीय सभापति महोदय, मैं आपकी अनुमति से आज की संशोधित कार्यसूची में क्रम संख्या 1E पर मेरे नाम के सामने सूचीबद्ध दस्तावेजों को सदन के पटल पर रखता हूं।
Statements of the Department related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Social Justice and Empowerment, Sri Narayana Kogarappa.
Declare two statements, Hindi and English versions of the Standing Committee on Social Justice and Empowerment 2526 as listed against my name at serial number 2 in the today's list of.
Sri Dharmendra Pradhan to move a motion for election of one member to the Council of the Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore.
Minister is not there. Minister is not there.
Sir, how is this possible, sir? The minister is not here.
I'll talk to them.
Leader of the House, sir.
Honorable members, 10 notices have been received today on 3 different subjects under Rule 267. Since none of these notices received today are in adherence to the requirement of the rules and directions imparted by the Chair on 8th December 2022 and 19th December 2022, I am not admitting any of the notices. Matters raised with permission.
What is the subject that is to be mentioned here? This is my kind request to you.
I have gone through the traditions and all the notices. I have taken it up. I will put a note tomorrow.
Reconsider the decision on 8th December and 19th December because even Supreme Court reviews its own decision. I request the Chair to review its decision on 8th December and 19th
Yes,
December.
Definitely I will reconsider it when it is necessary.
Because
when it is not necessary, you should leave it to the Chair. I will, if it is really necessary, I will reconsider.
Please.
Sri Dejveer Singh.
Thank you, sir. Subject: demand to enhance clean